Amidst the urban rhythm of Kuala Lumpur, the planter box house emerges as a verdant sanctuary. Here, architecture and agriculture intertwine, offering a harmonious blend of concrete form and lush greenery, a testament to sustainable living in the tropics. The facade presents a cascading series of 17 concrete planter boxes, each brimming with edible plants. This tiered design not only provides a striking visual contrast to neighboring structures but also blurs the boundaries between home and garden, creating a living, breathing exterior. Utilizing split bamboo formwork crafted by the indigenous Temuan people, the concrete planters bear organic textures that age gracefully. These planters serve dual purposes, housing plants and functioning as rainwater collectors and irrigation tanks, exemplifying sustainable construction practices. Spanning 340 square meters over 3 floors, the home's layout emphasizes openness and connectivity. The ground floor features a transparent living area, leading to a double-height kitchen and dining space at the rear, fostering a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor environments. Strategically placed windows and full-height glass walls invite abundant natural light, enhancing the sense of space and highlighting the interplay between concrete surfaces and verdant plant life. This design ensures a bright, airy atmosphere throughout the home. A palette of raw concrete, bamboo textures and glass defines the home's aesthetic. The use of natural materials not only provides durability but also reinforces the connection to the surrounding environment, embodying the principles of tropical modernism. Interior spaces are adorned with minimalist furnishings, allowing the architectural elements and integrated greenery to take center stage. This restrained approach creates a tranquil ambience, reflecting the homeowner's appreciation for simplicity and nature. Beyond the facade, the rooftop hosts additional garden beds, while the ground-level planters extend into the public realm, fostering community interaction. The integration of edible landscapes throughout the property exemplifies a commitment to urban farming and ecological awareness. The planter box house stands as a beacon of sustainable design, illustrating how architecture can nurture both inhabitants and the environment. In this home, every planter tells a story of growth, resilience, and the enduring bond between people and nature.